Can you spread out your deer corn using Tannerite? If you're like me, you hate just sprinkling around the freaking corn. I want to blow it up. I want to have the whole pasture covered in corn. Bringing the deer out, feeding them. It'll make popcorn, it'll burn the corn, it'll just throw it at me. Let's see. There it is. That's right where I want it. I gotta get the tape now. Okay. I got where I need to aim. It's looking like a success, except for the massive clumps that's still over here. Well, that was where it blew up. As it turns out, you can blow up your corn, spread out your beautiful layers of corn. Kind of sounded weird.